Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can load Oxum gas station in Rust. So what you'll need to do is run right here next to this fence, and here it should be a crate, so you can crouch it and take the crate right here. Then just go through this and you'll see a door you can open up. Right here is recycler where you can recycle stuff. Right here you'll find the green keycard on the table. Here should be some crates you can open up. Here you'll find some food, and be careful because here can be some guys sitting over there. After that, open up these doors, check if these boxes are empty. If not, just loot it, and right here just simply jump and you'll see that there will be some crates right here, and it can be right here. So loot it, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you loot and do Oxum gas station in Rust. Thank you guys. If this video was helpful, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.